Hi everyone, welcome to Tech Helpline. Today I'm going to be showing you how to share Messenger group link. So keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. The first thing you'll need to do is to open up your Facebook account using your web browser. Tap open any web browser of your choice and in the web address bar type in www.facebook.com and make your search. You'll end up in the official website of Facebook. Go ahead and enter your email address or your phone number followed by your password associated with Facebook account and tap the login button. Once you're logged into your Facebook account with the help of a web browser, tap on the Messenger icon at the top of the screen from the main home page. You'll be able to open up your Messenger on your web browser as well. Now open up a group conversation that you would like to share the link from. For example, this is the group that I have chosen. In order to copy and share the link, go to the top of the page and tap on the URL link and this will open up other options. Tap on the copy button and soon after you do that, go ahead and share this link with anyone that you would like to add on the group. Paste in the link that you just copied and send it to the recipient. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to share the group link to a particular contact that you want to add on your Messenger group. That is how it can be easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.